There's a breathing technique that slows your heart rate in 30 seconds. It's not just calming. It's physiology. Your nervous system has two primary modes. The sympathetic mode, also called fight or flight, is activated when you face stress, threat, or demand. The parasympathetic mode, sometimes called rest and digest, is where your body recovers, repairs, and restores. Most people in modern life spend too much time in sympathetic mode. Not because of actual threats, but because of emails, deadlines, noise, and the constant low-level stimulation of screens and notifications. The good news is you can shift modes deliberately. And the fastest way to do it involves your breath. Breathing is unique among bodily functions because it's both automatic and voluntary. When you slow it down deliberately, you directly affect your autonomic nervous system through the vagus nerve. The most effective technique for acute stress is what researchers call the physiological sigh. Here's how it works. Take a normal inhale through your nose. At the top of that inhale, take a second short inhale to fully inflate your lungs. Then release it in one long, slow exhale through your mouth. That double inhale reinflates the small air sacs in your lungs that deflate under stress. The long exhale activates the parasympathetic branch of the vagus nerve and lowers your heart rate noticeably. You'll feel it in 2 or 3 breaths. Stanford neuroscientist Andrew Huberman's lab has studied this extensively and found it to be the fastest known real-time stress relief technique. Here are 3 other resets worth knowing. The first is the dive reflex. Splash cold water on your face, or hold a cold damp cloth to your cheeks and forehead. This triggers a reflex that slows the heart and calms the nervous system. Takes about 30 seconds. The second is extended exhale breathing. Breathe in for 4 counts. Hold for 7. Exhale for 8. The long exhale is the active ingredient. Any pattern where the exhale is longer than the inhale works. The third is slow walking. Walking at a slower pace than your normal speed, especially in natural environments, activates the parasympathetic system through a combination of gentle physical movement and reduced visual stimulation. None of these require apps, equipment, or a lot of time. The physiological sigh can be done anywhere, even in a meeting, without anyone noticing. Your nervous system is always taking signals from your environment and your body. These techniques are simply ways to send a clear signal that says, it's safe. You can rest now. This is not medical advice. If you're experiencing chronic anxiety or stress, speak with a healthcare professional.